our channel. Today I want to show you, finally I can show you my very popular banana bread or banana cake. I have been making this banana bread for so many years and lots of our friends and guests enjoyed it, and I promised them to give them the recipe, and I'm sorry if I have been I promise you, and I promise, and finally I can do it now, and you can watch the video again and again. But before we start, press the
subscribe button.
Press the subscribe button and do please subscribe, please.
To get notifications.
To get notification. You will get lots more video from us. So, okay, that's all done. So let me show you how to do it. So now I'm mashing the banana first here. Mash the banana. Get a plate like that, and then if you have a method way of mashing banana, it's go ahead, but for me, I'm mashing banana with a fork. So it doesn't have to be really fine mash like mashed potato. I actually prefer with a little bit of fruits there that is not completely pieces of fruits basically. So that's one banana. We only need one at the moment. And so now let me start. Well, this is the only one banana I need actually. We need two bananas. Here it is. Um, so this is 100 grams of flour. No, sorry. This is 50 grams of butter softened, about 2 ounces. So make a list because you will be making this for those lovely people who's been asking the recipe. So this is 50 grams of softened butter, 100 grams of muscovado sugar. Muscovado sugar is the non-refined sugar, if you like, and it's very dark brown like this it is. So in goes there. And let me just crack the egg in a bowl. Do that because sometimes one egg is not bad, it's bad, and you have to start all over again. So these are very small eggs, by the way. So all of these cake will be based on the size of the banana, size of the egg, but this is my measurement. Follow that and you will never go wrong. And you may have to adjust sometimes because of the size of the banana, like I said. So we are going to, I'm ready to cream the butter and sugar and egg. So you have to excuse the noise of the machine, okay? Okay, sorry about that noise there. So it doesn't have to be really, cream. Just make sure that it's all well blended, the butter, sugar, and all together. What's in it? Sugar, egg. Yeah. So in we go. I'm putting the mashed banana, and 100 grams of flour. There's my preheated oven calling me. It means it's ready. So, oh well, I just hear the noise, the bell calling me that the oven is ready. You must preheat the oven before you start doing anything. So this is 50 grams, 2 ounces of shredded dark chocolate. In we go, and we start mixing them all up. And in we go. I have teaspoon of baking powder, which is a must. Uh, teaspoon, teaspoon in a bit. Yeah, this is again will be based on the size of the banana because the bananas are not the same size. Unfortunately, so okay, thank you, darling. So I'm mixing them and mixing them again, not to overmix. If you overmix it, not to worry, because it's the end result will be just the same. So look at that, look at that. And of course, we need cinnamon. So I will put cinnamon about quarter of a teaspoon here. So I can measure it by my just tap, 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 tap. That's so the measurement I can give you, if you really want to be precise for this, is quarter of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, or a big pinch of cinnamon. So it's that is looking very butter buttery cake mixture already, and that's all you need. That's all you need is we're ready to transfer it here. So now this is a small cake tin, springform, which you can open it here, and it's already been I already put some butter all around the side of the cake tin, and I put um, paper lining here, so that is at the bottom. You put lining in there, paper, parchment paper, non-stick, so that will be make it easier to unmold it, to remove it from the bottom of the pan, from the bottom of the cake tin. So, so this is for one banana. This is 17 centimeter in diameter. Yeah, I almost forgot. I'm no good in measurement. So this is gonna be a little bit thick cake. So if you want, you can move it. You can make into 23 centimeters of cake tin. So then it will be obviously will be thinner. So you have choice. You make your own choice, and also will be quicker to cook. On the uh, yeah, so this goes. I only have this is this I should have made in a bigger one because we are seven tomorrow, but I don't want to spoil them too much by overfeeding tomorrow. I know they will be watching the video afterwards, and they'll never forgive me if they say that I'm dieting them for their breakfast tomorrow morning. Oh, so just find it like that, and it doesn't have to be very even, but a little bit reasonably uh, even the top, or no, you can't waste anything. So use your finger to get rid of those excess from those on the spatula, and just make it even like that, and don't worry too much if it's not. So now I'm ready to show you how to decorate it. Now we need banana again because we want to show the banana on top of the cake. We need to show the banana. That what kind of cake is that? Obviously, they won't ask because they will see the banana on top. So I'll show you how to decorate it. Cut the banana, circle, not circle. How do you call that? Cut the banana across. So one in there, one goes in the middle. Um, about euro coin stick. That's uh, that's the only thing I can describe to you. So that that is the euro. Yeah, I don't know an other currency that I can. And this is 2 euro, 2 euro size. So put the banana all on the top to for the decoration. and we need all around from the bottom, from the top to the end, to the edges, and to the edges, and I drop it. I drop it. So don't worry too much. And yeah, one more. This is gonna be thick cake, so this is gonna take long to cook. About 30 to 45 minutes, I can tell you now. But we can always adjust if the cake's not done. You can check it and check it and you the old fashioned of cake inserting toothpick. I need one more. So this is one more, two more actually, two more bananas. So if I tell you that you need three bananas, but your bananas are small or big, so I will be on and on. I will tell you on and on about this because this is all about the size of your banana. And this cake is worth going bananas. So here, now this is ready to go to the oven, 180 degrees. So in goes, this is going to the oven, 180 degrees again, 35 to 45 minutes. We will check on 30, after 30 minutes, I will check, insert the toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's done. If it's still have something on the toothpick, then it's not done. Then add 15 minutes. That's simple it is. Okay, see you later. Okay, let's have a look. Let's check how the banana cake is doing, and I can tell you it's still wobbly, so it's not done yet. So it's not worth checking and inserting the toothpick. So let's put another 15 minutes. Okay, see you later. Let's have a look. I think we are ready to take it out from the oven after 45 minutes. And yeah, don't burn your hand, and it's clear. That's quite clean, so that's ready. So let's go and have a look. I can show you now how to that. Oh, it's hot. Be careful in this time. Be careful on this stage. Okay, let me show you here. Yes, this is gonna be look like. Look at the color because of the muscovado sugar that made it really dark brown cake. So at the moment, I want to leave it for another 5 minutes. I know we have to wait again. We have to wait again before we can open up because we want to let it rest just to make sure that is everything is okay. But you know what? I think I can do that. I can unmold it. So we can show you. I can show you. Look at that. So this is a very quite thick cake, but it's probably the right thickness anyway. So that is the cake. And because I put the lining at the bottom. Look, I can um, lift it, but I'm leaving it there until it cools down. And I will show you. This is be ready, but leave it until it's cooled down before you can enjoy it. Okay. Okay, so here's the cake now that it's cold. I can show you even closer. So if you want to make this bigger cake, because this is it's a small version, you obviously have to double the amount of the ingredients I've given to you. Uh, three bananas, two mashed banana, and one banana on the top, and 200 grams of flour, and you double the amount of sugar and butter, and egg. Yes, I think I'm catching all the ingredients here. But anyway, you can try this first, and let me know. I'll be happy to know how you do it. Yeah. Okay. If you have any question, you can send on the comment or you can send me private message for this recipe. I'm already giving you the measurement, so follow that, and you can comment for my next video as well, so then I would know. I love to know actually. And thank you for watching, and And please don't forget to subscribe. And for those who subscribe already, thank you. And I'll see you for my next video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye for now.